Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here, and today I brought you this very gorgeous and easy crochet earrings tutorial. They only take a couple of minutes to be made, and once you're done with them, don't forget to tag me on my other social media networks as well, such as TikTok or Instagram. I would love to see your work. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for future tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. We will need to have the following materials for this project. We are going to use a size 5 100% cotton yarn. This is from Trasferre, Filo di Scozia. I'm going to place it on the screen. Then we will need to have some wooden beads. These ones are 8 millimeters each one of them. Some earring hangers, some yarn needle, and we are going to use a 2.5 millimeter crochet hook. So we are going to start by grabbing the yarn and we are going to wrap it around the finger 8 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to pass the crochet hook under, grab the yarn, and going to secure it. So we're going to pull over and we can remove it from the finger. Just make sure that it stays this circular shape. And now we're going to make 20 times single crochet inside in this ring. So insert inside, grab the yarn over, 1, again 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 20. All right, now we are going to join our floss chain here with the first one. So just insert it inside like this, grab the yarn, pull over and make a slip stitch. Here we go, our circle is crocheted over, and now we are going to chain 2, 1, 2. Now we need to yarn over 2 times, so 1, twice, and then have a look. We are going to insert the crochet hook into the next chain. So this is where we were, and now we are going to make it in this chain. Then yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the last 2. Now we created here this kind of loop, like little hole. Okay, we're going to insert the crochet hook inside and make a single crochet. So yarn over, pull over in both of the 2. Now we're going to make a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert, and then yarn over and pull over in all the 3 loops. Now we're going to make 3 times double crochets into this. So yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull over in the 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this is 1 time. Second time, grab the yarn over, pull over in the 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2, and 1 more time. Pull over in 2 and pull over in the other 2. Now have a look. We have to look for the next chain, which is this one. We're going to insert the crochet hook here. I'm going to make a slip stitch just like this. Now we're going to chain 2. We're going to repeat the same exact thing. We're going to yarn over twice, then insert it in the next stitch, grab the yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. In this hole that we created, now we're first going to make a single crochet, then a half double crochet, then 3 times double crochets. So 1, 2, and the last one 3, perfect. And then we're looking for the next chain. So we worked here, next one is this chain. We're going to insert and going to make a slip stitch. So far we created 2 of these flower petals, and now we need to have altogether 7 from this one. So I'm gonna do one more, and then we need to have altogether 7. So chain 2, then yarn over twice, next stitch, insert, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the last 2. Then inside we are going to make a single crochet, then a half double crochet, so pull over in all the 3, then 3 times double crochet, so yarn over, insert, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in 2, second one, pull over in 2 and pull over in 2, and the third, pull over in 2 and pull over in other 2, and the next chain, which is this one in our case, going to insert and make a slip stitch. So you need to do another 4 of this one, and I'm going to with you there. So this is the last one. I'm going to just make a slip stitch to secure it. And here we go. This is how it looks so far. Leave some excess tail, and we can cut the yarn. And now we are just going to pull out the yarn at the yarn needle, and we are going to guide. And here in the back we're gonna go down and just try to kind of go towards the middle area here between the stitches. We need to arrive here in the center area. So until that, I'm going to pass this yarn there. And we are just going to guide it up here, just like this. Now we are going to add 2 of the wooden beads, just like 1 and then 2. We are going to insert it back in the same spot. Leave a bit of loop here on the top. We're going to add here the earring hanger, just like this. close it. And then we are going to pull on to this earring hanger now. And then now we have to secure it. So we are going to head it back the same stitch where we were coming out. Then we're just gonna turn it to the other side, and in here we're going to make some securing stitches. We want to make sure it doesn't come out. I'm going to actually pass it through here. And then I'm just going to pass it here in the back stitches, between the back stitches. And then once you're nicely secured, you can just cut the excess yarn off. And here we go, one of our earring is ready. And of course, don't forget, you have to make another one from this too. So our gorgeous crochet earrings are ready, and I hope that you're happy with the result. I hope it turned out very beautiful. Don't forget to tag me on my other social media networks such as TikTok or Instagram and show them to me. I would love to see your earrings, how they turned out. And of course, don't forget to like and hype this video, subscribe to my channel for future tutorials too. And I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Now take care. Bye bye.